How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. I have a 2004 Nissan Titan. Somebody damaged this tail light. This is the passenger side. Easy to replace. Two 10mm bolts. One right here, one right here. Remove those, get the light out. Then you gotta go underneath to reach for the wire harness. So let's get to it. Once you remove the bulbs, you can get easy access to the bulbs in case that you need to replace them. You just twist it and pull it out. But the new light has new bulbs, so we don't have to worry about this. It has these two little grommets, one in here and one in here. Those are here. You remove it with pliers or one of these tools, but those get stuck in the light, so we don't have to worry about that. Now we have easy access. We need to just pull out the cable. There is a little grommet in here. Pull it out. Now we gotta go underneath and disconnect the light from the connector. Right here you have the connector. You gotta unplug it. Press on this little tab. And disconnect it. Now you can pull the cable all the way out and then put your light back on. The all light is out. It's gonna have another pin in the middle. That one is attached to the frame. You just have to pull it to remove this clip. Once we have the old light out, let's put the new one. The new light, like I said, it has new bulbs, new pins. Everything is brand new. So let's run the cable first. And this is how it looks. It has the two pins, like I said. Line them up the pins. Let's put the two 10mm back on it. Next thing, go underneath, connect your light, and try it on. Everything is connected and it's in place. All the lights working. And that's all to it, guys. 2004 Nissan Titan. Link is gonna be in the description for this tail light. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.